Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Acorns early. First, download the Acorns app from your App Store and begin the account creation process. You'll need to provide some basic personal information to get started. Next, securely link your primary bank account and a debit card. This connection allows Acorns to make micro-investments for you. Finally, select an investment portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and comfort with risk. Funding your Acorns account is straightforward and flexible. You can set up recurring investments, choosing to contribute daily, weekly, or monthly, even with small amounts like $5. Don't forget to activate the Roundups feature, which automatically invests the spare change from your everyday purchases. For example, $3. 75 coffee becomes $4 charge with 25 cents invested. Additionally, explore the option of direct deposits to consistently grow your investment balance. To truly maximize your investment growth, understand the power of compound interest. Even small, consistent contributions can grow significantly over many years. As your income increases, consider raising your recurring investment amounts. Even an extra $10 or $20 per week makes a difference. Also, explore Acorns later, which offers tax-advantaged retirement accounts like IRAs, helping you save for your future with potential tax benefits. For advanced tips, regularly review your Acorns portfolio to ensure it still aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Market conditions can change, so occasional adjustments might be beneficial. Also, take advantage of Acorns Earn, which gives you bonus investments when you shop with participating brands. And for a cleaner home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.